Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm doing here a replacement of this inner tie rod. It has a little bit of play on this side of the car. I was also doing some work over here on the lower control arms, on the upper ones as well. I have videos down on the description for that. And I have a video how to replace this inner tie rod on the Alfa 159. It is exactly the same as this 147, GT and 156. And for that also it is very similar to most of cars of today. But I encountered a problem with this that I have to figure out how to do it. And so for that I want to share with you guys my solution for this and what parts I'm going to use to solve the problem. So on the old days you had this system over here that has this vulcanized rubber over here, so the steering to be a little bit more soft while driving. And on the later models you have this shaft over here. It's completely smooth all the way through. And it has a little bit of play, okay? So very straightforward, just replace this one and use, in this case I can reuse here this wood, no problems whatsoever. But there is a problem. I cannot find for the life of me a inner tie rod like this one. It is not available anywhere. And from the factory they only supply me with the entire steering box. So my solution is, this is available, this one, but this wood does not work over here because we have such a small diameter over here that interferes with this thing over here, and also the wood clips on that small dimple, and that one is very large, so it's not that great. So what I'll do is to convert this system, okay, so this combination will be converted to this combination. So I have the old style wood with this large spacer that goes on there, okay, if I pass it through it goes on there, and in that way I am able to save this job actually, okay. So that is just it. I want to tell you that my solution for this is to modify the system of the inner tie rod. It goes from this blue one to this black one over here, okay. And here you have it. Now you know what you have to do. You have to also go to the alignment shop and do at neutral, no toe in or toe out on this front steering on the 156, 147 and GT. And on the back it is 0.15 degree on each wheel, okay, toe in on the rear of the car, okay. If you want to know more about what I'm doing over here on this Alfa 147, I'm taking care here of this intake manifold. The intake manifold was wrongly mounted. It was not that one with the flaps. It is the one that does not have. I did both. So I repaired this one. I ordered a repair on this one because someone cut it over here to be able to remove it. And this one over here was removed. The flaps and these plugs were inserted, so now I can choose one or the other one, and I'll keep one so I can have one ready at all times to do another job like this, okay, so I can gain a little bit more time. As you can see, you have to take out here the support, the high pressure fuel pump, and on this case I did not even bother to take out the high pressure fuel pump. Come on. As you can see, so I do not have to mess with that nut and whatnot. Notice here they try to break this little part over here to take out the intake manifold, and again one of these two bolts was missing. I was able to find another one, and over here on this 147 also I'm preparing myself to remove the gearbox because, as you can see, a lot of oil is coming out of the rear main seal of this engine. I also will do some cleanup over here, replace here this antifreeze reservoir and the antifreeze, and do the bearing over here. Very easy to do, like I told you on the other video. I do not have a press yet to do a video for that, but it's very easy. You just take out, like I told you on the other video of the suspension, take out there that spindle, and with that you can take it to a shop that has a press and do it. Okay, over here I am replacing the pads, and that is it, guys. If you want to know more about what I'm doing over here, down on the description you have a lot of videos and links for videos for you to see what you need to see about your car. Most of the videos that I do for all makes and models, but as you know, I want to do the videos on Alfa, Fiat and Lancia cars only, okay? But again, they do for most makes and models. Also, down on the description you have links for helps for the channel if you are able to do a help or a monthly help for that matter, okay? I see you next time, guys. Bye.